Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 18. Today, we will learn about SQL views. Views let you save queries as reusable objects, making complex queries easier to manage and improving reporting efficiency. A view is a virtual table created from a query. It doesn't store data itself, but it stores the query logic. You can reuse a view just like a table. Here is how to create a view. This example creates a view called High Salary Employees, which selects employees earning more than 50,000. Once a view is created, you can query it just like a table. This query retrieves all rows from the High Salary Employees view. You can update a view using alter view. For example, changing the salary threshold from 50,000 to 60,000. If you no longer need a view, you can drop it using drop view. This removes the view definition from the database. Views simplify complex queries, improve readability, enhance security by restricting columns, and allow you to reuse query logic across multiple reports. Let us practice. Create a view for IT employees, another for students with marks above 75, and query both views as if they were tables. In a sales database, you can create a view for monthly sales totals, another for top customers, and then use these views in reporting dashboards. Here are some mini challenges. Try creating a view for finance employees earning above 60,000, a view for students in class 10A, and a view for regions with sales above 100,000. Your assignment: create employees, students, and sales tables. Write queries to create views for filtered data, query views like tables, and practice updating and dropping views. To summarize, views are virtual tables created from queries. They simplify complex logic, improve readability, and enhance security. Tomorrow, we will learn about indexes and performance basics.